Današnja tema klipa je top 5 stvari zbog kojih je Goku jači od Vegete.
Goku! Son Goku!
Mjesto broj 5. Kroz mnoge Dragon Ball serijale Goku je imao dosta učitelja za razliku od Vegete koji je sve sam želeo da postigne. U početku Saiyan sage Vegeta je bio daleko snažniji od Gokua i pokazalo se da nije bilo Jairobija, Gohana i Krilina, Goku bi bio uveliko mrtav. Međutim, u Freeze sagi Goku je pokazao svoju neverovatnu snagu dok se borio sa Freezom i zbog svog čistog srca i snage otključao je za tako kratko vreme formu Super Saiyonac dok je Vegeti trebalo mnogo duže vremena. Mjesto broj 4. Vegeta koliko god trenirao uvijek je bio iza Gokua. Vegeta nikada nije mogao da dostigne takav trening da bi usavršio tehniku Kaioken koju je imao Goku, koja je čak i Goku koji je slabiji bio od Vegete pomogla da u početku vodi u njihovom fajtu, što je još jedan veliki razlog zašto je Vegeta slabiji od Gokua. Mjesto broj 3. Vegeta nikada nije mogao da se transformiše u Super Saiyonca 3, dok je Goku mogao, što je u Dragon Ball Z serijalu bilo mnogo velika prednost za Gokua. Što se tiče snage, i to je isto još jedna razlika u snazi između njih dvojice. Mjesto broj 2. Iako je Vegeta otključao novu formu, svi su mislili da se ona meri sa Ultra Instinktom, ali sve to pada u vodu kad Goku otključa Ultra Instinct Perfect, koja je daleko jača forma. Mjesto broj 1. Dok se Goku borio sa Kid Buom, Vegeta je samo posmatrao njihovu borbu, a onda je izjavio da koliko god on ojača, Gokova moć uvijek će biti veća od njegove. A onda je na kraju izgovorio ovu rečenicu koju ću vam ja citirati. Bolji si od mene Kakarote, ti si najbolji, tako da sve činjenice koje se svode na to da je Goku slabiji od Vegete padaju u vodu, a da bi to dokazao imam kratak isečak, pogledajte ga do kraja.
Amazing! How do you do it, Kakarot? You've always been like this, ever since the day I first met you. Always ready to meet the next challenge, even if it's bigger than you are. So we meet at last. We have been expecting you, Kakarot. We were beginning to think you wouldn't show. Hopefully now things will get more interesting around here. How can this be happening? I am a super elite, the prince of all Saiyans. And he is just a low level, a common soldier. I am one of the greatest fighters in the universe. It was the same on Namek. You had improved so much that it made Raccoon look like he was standing still. Your power had increased so dramatically since our battle on Earth that I thought you had done it. I thought that you had become a Super Saiyan. It tore me apart. How could a low-class soldier accomplish so easily what I had struggled my whole life to achieve? After 3 millennia, it has finally happened! A new Super Saiyan has emerged! And somehow, I have become this pauper's witness! Then at last it happened. I too transformed. After living every moment of every day for the singular purpose of surpassing you, I finally became a Super Saiyan myself. The prince had reclaimed his throne and fulfilled his destiny. But no matter how strong I became, your power still exceeded mine. At first, I thought it was your loved ones, that it was your instinct to protect them that spurred you on and pushed you beyond your limits.
Dad, it's really you!
But then I found myself with a family of my own, and my power didn't increase at all. I used to fight for the sheer pleasure of it, for the thrill of the hunt. Oh, I had the strength unmeasurable. I spared no one. And yet, you showed mercy to everyone. Even your fiercest enemies. Even me. Yet you never fought to kill, nor for revenge. Only to test your limits, and to push yourself beyond them. To become the strongest you could possibly be. How can a Saiyan fight like that, and at the same time be so gentle that he wouldn't hurt a fly? Oh, it makes me angry just thinking about it. But perhaps it is my anger that has made me blind to the truth for so long. I see it now. This day has made it all too clear. You're better than me, Kakarot. You are the best.
Pouka ovog klipa je da koliko god se Vegeta trudio da prestigne Gokua u snazi, Goku će uvek biti jedan korak ispred njega. I to bi bilo to, ljudi, što se tiče ovog klipa. Ako vam se svideo klip, obavezno ostavite like i subscribe. Ako se pitate zašto, pa eto čisto da bi me podržali. Naravno napišite u komentarima kako vam se svideo klip ili ti njegova tema. I naravno napišite koju sljedeću temu da izaberem vezanu za Dragon Ball serijale. A do tada srdačan pozdrav!
Goku! Son Goku!